Ladies, if you wear wigs, weaves, braids, or extensions,
and if you're tender-headed like me,
or tangled just like me,
or have thick hair like mine,
or hate getting your hair combed,
keep watching!
Hi guys, thanks for checking out another TM hair products video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I detangle, moisturize, and style my son's hair. He previously had 4 jumbo braids, and I just took one of them loose, and I'm going to detangle his hair in sections using the smooth through detangler. I like to spray the hair with water and add the detangler to his hair, working it in with my hands. Then with a wide tooth comb, I like to detangle his hair starting from the ends, working my way up. Because his hair is thick and he has very dry hair, I'm just going to co-wash his hair. His hair is not dirty. It looks worse than what it is. So because he has very dry hair, I'm just going to co-wash his hair today. So I'm just lightly misting with water, taking another section, adding the detangler to his hair, working it in with my hands, and with a wide tooth comb, detangling his hair from the ends, working my way up to the root. And after his hair is completely detangled, it looks like this. So his hair is completely detangled. So I'm just using the detangler today as a co-wash. Okay, his hair is dripping wet. I just co-washed it. Now I did not shampoo it. I just co-washed it. I used the detangler for co-wash, and I wanted his hair to stay wet. So as you can see, his hair is clean. Turn to him. His hair is clean. His scalp is clean. Pull your head over. With me using the product as a co-wash, his hair is just dripping wet, but his hair is clean. When you use the detangler, let me come in a little closer. Pull your head over some. His scalp is clean. There's no buildup and stuff on his scalp. The water's dripping off of it, but I wanted to show you guys his hair soaking wet. There's no buildup on his scalp because our products don't leave a buildup, so you can use our co-wash and then just shampoo with a shampoo once a month if you have very, very dry hair. So I just want to show you guys, and I'll be right back. Okay, his hair has been rinsed and blow dried. At this point, I don't have anything on his hair. I have no product in his hair at this point at all. Also, this wasn't even a full bottle, so I used about maybe about this much to detangle his entire head. So it just depends on how tangled your hair is, how thick your hair is. But I use about that much to detangle his whole head. So now I'm going to part his hair off, and I will be right back. I parted his hair off into 8 braids. You guys know I am team pre-part. There's nothing on his hair at this point. I have not added any product to his hair. That is his hair's natural luster after using the detangler as a co-wash. So now, ladies, what I want to tell you guys is, even though I'm doing my son's hair, I use the same step, the same process when I'm wearing wigs. I use the styling aid, but because it does not leave the hair greasy, I use the styling aid to protect my hair under my wig or under my weave, and I use these exact same steps. So I add the styling aid to his hair, and I'm going to braid it back. So as a lot of us ladies know, that sometimes when we wear a wig, we'll cornrow our hair straight back. So you can use this exact same method, exact same steps as I'm using to braid his hair, to do under your wigs, or when you get weaves, or you get a quick weave. You can use these exact same steps to keep your natural hair moisturized. So when you take your weave out, when you stop wearing your wig, your hair is not very dry and brittle. And you're going to see pictures at the end where you could see his hair is still very moisturized, but it isn't greasy. And that's the benefit of using the Perfect.His styling aid. And if you have time, the styling aid is a great hot oil treatment. I cannot stress that enough to you guys. It's a great hot oil treatment if you have very dry hair like my son. My son has very, very dry hair, and his hair is very, very thick. So using it as a hot oil treatment that you don't rinse out allows the product to penetrate in his hair, deep down into his hair because it's so thick. So that's a great added benefit of using the styling aid.
This is the finished look. Turn around. His hair is still wet, but as you can see, his hair is very moisturized. I didn't use water because I just used the Perfect.His styling aid as the moisturizer because it contains water. So I didn't want a lot of shrinkage. I wanted his braids to hang some. So I just sprayed the very ends of his hair just to make them coil. And there will be pictures at the end.
Here are some still pictures, guys. The first 3 pictures are with my camera because I wanted to show you guys in different lighting how the styling aid does not leave your hair greasy. So these pictures are with my camera, my recording camera. And then the last 3 pictures are with my phone. So I want to give you different cameras and different lighting. As you can see, his hair is not greasy, but it has a very nice, healthy hair luster, and that's what you want. That's his hair stretched out. We are making great progress, and I twist his ends, and I wanted to show you guys how nice and coiled his ends are. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye, guys.